It is time to trim my hair. It has been about 10 weeks since I last trimmed my hair, so that is what we're doing today. And I'm trying out a new technique that a subscriber suggested to me, which is called the beard haircut. So let's see how my hair turns out with this haircut today. So we are gonna go jump in the shower and wash my hair so that it's nice and clean and detangled, ready to be cut. So first of all, I'm taking the Tropical Bliss shampoo and shampooing my hair, and just like all the times I've washed my hair lately, it hasn't been foaming much on the first round, so I massage for a bit, rinse it out, and then I go in again with the same shampoo. You will not have seen me use these products before on my channel, I don't think. I didn't really have a good experience with this brand, so that's why I haven't mentioned the products ever really, except for on Instagram when I worked with the brand. And it's a shame because the products are really good, but the reason why I'm using these is because one, it was the first shampoo and conditioner that I could grab and came across when looking for products to use for this wash day, and also despite having a bad experience with the brand, I do not want to waste products, so I'm still going to use them up. Anyway, I am then taking the conditioner from Tropical Bliss. I added the conditioner to my hair and then let it soak in while I washed my body, and then I drizzled a bit of water, detangled, and oh my god, it was really easy to detangle today. I was so happy about that. It's the little things in life. My hair was so knotted and it just looked very wild before jumping in the showers, so I was glad that it was so quick to detangle today. And then I rinsed that out thoroughly, and then I took some of the Curly Secret leave-in and added about 3 pumps to my hair. This is just going to smooth my hair out and make it easy to brush to be able to trim it. While I was in the shower, I completely forgot that I was going to be trimming my hair today, and I had the mindset that as soon as I got out of the shower I was going to start styling my hair, so I kind of forgot what was going on for a second. I then put my hair up in a towel, and this towel soaks up a lot of the moisture, which is good because I do not want my hair soaking wet when I go into cutting it. I just want it kind of damp. I then got dressed, and at this point I set up my camera and I took the towel down, and tutorials that I saw, well, one of them that I saw, I just like quickly sped through the videos that I watched. So they said to part your hair where you usually part it. I usually wear a side part, and then kind of like at the back of your head, kind of split it down the middle. So I tried to do that. I think I got a really perfect part going on, so that was great. I smoothed everything down and brushed it, and then with the beard cut, you're gonna grab all your hair under your chin and tie it. I just used a scrunchie, and then I had to lower my camera so you could see what I was doing with the ends, and then you just brush out the rest of your hair and then trim or cut however much you want to take off. You can also tie an elastic at the bottom of your hair as a guide, just so that you don't cut too much or to hold all your hair in place, but I didn't bother doing that. One thing I did notice when I had my hair tied at the front is that my hair was kind of different lengths. But anyway, I just trimmed off a little bit. I didn't want to take off too much. After I trimmed off a little bit, I brushed it out again, and there was a little bit that was wonky, so I trimmed that to even it out. And then that's it really. I took the scrunchie down. I don't think that this haircut gives any layers. I think it mostly just trims the end of your hair. In the tutorials, they did say that if you want layers to go and do the unicorn cut to add in some layers, but I just wanted to test out the beard cut by itself today and see what results it gives. So I didn't cut anything else off. I just left it at that, and it looked pretty even to me. So I took the Curly Secret volumizing spray to spray in my root roots. Then I kind of did my no fuss brush styling routine, and then I started scrunching in some of the Flora Curl foam. My hair was a bit too dry at this point, so I was grabbing handfuls of water in my hand and scrunching that in my hair at the sink. And then I took the Curly Secret popping something gel, took about 4 pumps of that for each side and scrunched that in. Then I scrunched with a towel, and then it was time to go in and diffuse. And I am back now with the finished results. I finished diffusing. My waves are very loose today. I don't know what's going on. So I have a little bit of a cast, so I'm gonna scrunch this out, fluff it, try and make this look a bit more appealing and nicer, and then we'll see how the cut is looking. So I'm taking a couple drops of oil and scrunching my hair, and I just decided to fluff my hair like crazy today. Because my definition isn't fantastic and my hair looks very stringy. Let's at least try and get some volume in my hair. And this is what we're left with. My hair looks weird today. Very weird today. I don't know why it turned out like this, but let's do a 360. I haven't had a look how my hair looks from the back. But honestly, I'm kind of trusting that it looks good from the back. I should double check. Let me check how it looks. Okay, I don't know if there's like one part. I don't know if it kind of cut more in a V than a U, like about here. I don't know. I don't know what went wrong, but I feel like this part here is longer than this side. And I don't know if that's kind of from the previous time I cut my hair, if I did it wonky, or if this is from today. I don't know. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I should go in and fix it, but I don't want to cut off any more hair. I think I'll leave it. I'll fix it the next time I cut my hair. If I straighten my hair before I post this video, I will include footage of how this haircut looks straight. Like I said before, I don't think this has given me any layers. I think it's just kind of cut down here. So I like this haircut. I don't love it. I think it's a great option if you don't want any layers. It was really easy to do, definitely very beginner friendly. I don't think there's any room for error, although I don't know what went wrong here. But yeah, in terms of how quick and easy it was, I do really like this haircut, but it's not my favorite. I have a few more haircut ideas that I'm gonna try the next times I cut my hair, so stay tuned for those and let me know if there's any other hair cutting tutorials that you would like me to try out on my hair to show you how it looks. Here is some more videos from me that I think you might enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye!